Hey guys, welcome to my new channel. This is Roel. I think some of you guys already came here from my other YouTube channel, the channel that we use to barbecue on. Let me get this right. The reason that we have a barbecue channel is because I love barbecuing so much. I can't imagine not barbecuing. It's like one of the most important things for me to do. Except, well, we're already barbecuing a lot. And sometimes you want to do something different. And there are a lot of cool things happening when we're not barbecuing. And I want to share these things with you guys, but the current channel is not really the format that I want to be sharing it with. So I decided to start this channel. And I would love nothing more to do than start this channel off by talking about my dog Ava, because she's a big part of our other channel and we don't get to talk about her. And now, finally, I can. You see, Ava is our Pyrenees mountain dog and she's around 2 years old now. Well, she will be in April. She was completely white, which for her litter was an exception. All her brothers and sisters had spots. And although you see a lot of white Pyrenees mountain dogs, that's how the breed standards would like them to look. But in reality, not all Pyrenees mountain dogs are white. There we go. Picobello pizza. I'm going to be making steaks anyway, so... Wow. And there's a good reason that we have a Pyrenees mountain dog. I did a lot of research to make sure that we got the right type of dog. And first, I thought they look way too cute for a real good guard dog, and I thought maybe this is not the dog for us. But when studying the character and the breed character, it was the right dog for us. Because, one, we could keep her outside at all times. She will be guarding heavily. It's programmed into the dog. That's number two. And number three is that she's really kind to her own, to our family and to our children, which of course is most important. Oh, their legs. I was thinking we had to put the legs together. Jesus Christ. This thing is heavy for such a small device. Chimney on. You see, we moved to this place around 2 years ago, and we got robbed. Yes, sir. Car stolen, the whole shebang. People in our house, like, terrifying. I don't want that to happen, and I know that any dad would hate that to happen. So I decided for some drastic measures, and the dog was the first drastic measure. You see, I don't mind really like a burglary. I like a little small thing that can happen in your life, but when they get close to your kids, I've never felt that way before. It was a horrible experience, and I didn't want to get like a self-defense gun or do something crazy. And I don't believe really in cameras. You know, I have cameras, but I think they're more something for like after the fact, that you recorded that someone was there for insurance purposes, because really I'm not expecting police to do a lot of work on that part. And you can't blame them, because what are they gonna do? Some guy came into your house with a mask and you say, look, that's the guy with a mask, he robbed me. But in the end, we got through it safely as a family, and that's what matters most. But now we ended up with this giant dog, this giant protective dog. Because when she senses somebody needs protecting, she will protect that person. When, at least if you're part of like the group of people that is in her inner circle, you gotta be like, she's like the bouncer. You need to befriend the bouncer. So in the past 2 years, we've been training her to be nice to people that, well, are familiar to us. That's friends and family. And what I've noticed is that the people that take care of her, the people that have fed her, the people that have walked her, those are definitely part of the inner circle. Family, neighbors. But some people, not so much. You know, we had a lot of contractors come in, driving in here in her personal space with their cars, making a lot of noise. Yeah, friends, not so much. But as a novice dog owner, I really appreciate that. But as a novice dog owner, I really appreciate that when you read the characteristic dog descriptions, you learn so much from them. And I'm so happy that I made the decision to read the description of the characteristics and follow that, and not how I like the way the dog looks, because in the end, it doesn't really matter. If I would have chosen the meanest, vicious looking dog, I wouldn't have ended up with this perfect guard dog. Aha, found her. She was close by, waiting for me to let her, well, approach, because she was looking from a distance, and this is like the super awesome spot where she can watch into the distance and see who's coming. And she already knows we're filming, so she's gonna be on her baddest behavior. She's like hitting puberty or something. She knows when I take up that camera and she's begging for a cuddle, I can't say no. Don't you? Yeah. And one of our favorite places to be is on our trampoline. We got this big trampoline that we bought for the children, but mainly it's like a dog trampoline. It's like dog heaven. This is the place where she likes to be, because it's so soft and it's so nice. As a puppy, she always had a trampoline at the place she was born at. So I guess she's just used to that and just, well, likes to be on trampoline. You're a trampoline dog, aren't you? You're a trampoline dog, aren't you? Yeah. Yes, you are. Isn't this just cuteness overload? Oh my God! Mostly Pyrenees Mountain Dogs are these nice, quiet, calm animals that maybe are active 4 hours a day or something like that. But this one is a little bit active, especially when it comes to the trampoline. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are active. Yes. It also might be me, because I'm kind of like a hyperactive type of person. So I kind of have that effect on her. When it comes to guarding, she is most active at night. In the daytime, she will lay around and just have one eye open, expecting me to do all the work. But she will have that one eye open, and once something comes up on our terrain, she will definitely approach that person or the car or whatever it is and make it stop. And she will make it stop. Now the cool thing is that this is an all-weather dog. She doesn't really like to be inside, and so we don't have her inside either. She is like, I don't know, she's like weatherproof. It's like the stupid word for a dog. Of course all dogs are weatherproof, but it's not really true. We had some heavy snow lately and she was as happy as can be. It was like she was coming alive. It was playtime. It was like, well, she just went crazy, just running around in circles and jumping in the snow and doing all kinds of stuff. And not only does she like the snow, she also likes the wind, and she doesn't mind the rain. And general, she doesn't mind anything except for heat. If you have a big heat shift, she doesn't appreciate it that much. So 2 weeks ago we had snow. Last week we had 15 degrees Celsius, so there was around 30 degrees in temperature difference, and she didn't like that. We had some trouble with Ava with her feed when she was younger. Like, this is like what she does. She likes to sit on seriously? This like, seriously, that's what she does. She stands on top of you. If you sit down, she's going to sit on top of you. She's going to be part of what you're doing, part of what your family is doing. Come on, come eens. Ga zitten. Zit. Lig. Lig. Goed zo. See, she listens very well, but when she wants to do something other than what you want to do, now she wants to play because the boss is here and it's going to be playtime. She will always give priority to defense and guarding to terrain or listening to my commands. But sometimes seriously, what's this? I'm trying to make a YouTube video here. This is the first one. This is the one that matters. If you're gonna be like this, you're not gonna be part of the show. Hey, she's just like a child. She does what she wants to do, and when she thinks something's important, she's gonna do that. So no matter what you think, well, they call it self-reliant, but basically they're just ignoring you and do what they want to do. So if you're looking for the perfect obedience dog, this is not going to be the dog for you. And I wasn't looking for that. I was looking for something that didn't mind to be left on its own out there in the rain, in the cold, and still would not be miserable. And sometimes I think, well, she doesn't really appreciate that I leave her outside alone in the cold, but she doesn't want to come inside either, so she wants me to be in the cold, miserable, just like her. So yeah, This is the dog house. It's a little hallway, and well, basically I just carpentered it off and make it look nice. She doesn't use it much because apparently Pyrenees just like to lay outside and basically not be inside, not even in a dog house, and only if it's heavily raining she might go inside. With the light rain she will still be outside. Let's take a closer look inside and let me show you what it looks like. Like of course she got her food here, she got some water here. We used to have a pillow here, but apparently she doesn't like pillows either. Like hard, sturdy things, fluffy things. We bought her everything. Every time I gave her something new, it was like, no, thank you. What's that weird thing? Get it out of my doghouse. So, no more pillows for the dog. Food-wise, the dog is kind of special too. She isn't really into eating normal dog food. She's into eating all kinds of things, except for normal dog food. Only meat, only vegetables, no starch, no grains, no bread, no potatoes, no blah blah blah. Only that it was the cheapest that I had. It's like, it works. It's the one that works for her. So ever since she got that brand and everything's fine. Except we also have this YouTube channel, and we have her as a part of the show because, well, she's around anyways and you can't keep her away from good food. So she eats barbecue food nowadays. And at first I thought, well, that's a bad idea. I'll just feed her raw food. Yeah, that worked for a while. She enjoyed it for a while, but then she figured out she could have actual barbecue food from Pitmaster X. And she enjoys barbecue so much that I actually created a problem with it. Because when I took a holiday from barbecuing, she started eating the guinea pigs from the children. Because she was looking for something nice to eat outside of her dry food. So don't tell the children, they don't know. They think it was a fox. Yeah. All in all, we love our dog. It's the perfect dog for us. She is so cute, she's so nice, she likes to cuddle, she likes to be with people. She's just the perfect dog. She's a big guard dog as well. She keeps the strangers out. She makes sure we're all safe and we're all nice and warm and completely fluffy, muffy. And so I'm happy, the dog's happy, the children are happy, the missus is happy. Everybody's happy. If everybody's happy, then you got the right dog, right? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave us a big thumbs up and a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because, well, that's gonna help us grow, right? And tell me what you want to see in the next video. We got awesome plans, but hey, just let me know what you want to see. Love to hear some comments on what you think we're doing, and see you guys in the next one. Yes! Yeah!